YouTube? What's the scene? It's your boy Chef back again with another video, man. And as y'all can see from the title and the thumbnail, what the fuck is wrong with me? We in the M2 right now. We currently about to go. Well, first we gotta run some errands. Gotta take care of a little business. I hope y'all can hear me with this wind and shit. Yeah, about to take care of some business real quick, and then I'm supposed to go get a car wash today because, bro, the car looks like fucking shit. No, there's actually like literal shit on the car, like bird shit and shit. So I'm about to go get a car wash. It's actually a really nice day actually here in New York. That's the thing, if you live in New York, like, you already know, like, some days is shit, some days it's nice, but like the weather is crazy because we in January, it's early January, first quarter. It's fucking like 50 something degrees out here, almost 60. Oh my god, that pothole would have fucking took me out. Yeah, but it's almost like, feel me? It's mad nice out here for the month we're in. So I don't know, it's weird. Weather here is weird, man. If you're from New York, you know, you know. But yeah, that's the vibes right now today. I'm supposed to link up with some of the guys. We all supposed to get a wash too, so but yeah, we gonna see how that goes, man. But that's pretty much it. Make sure y'all boys like, comment, subscribe, all of that shit. Remember, we on the road to 1K subscribers right now, chat. 1K, we almost there, we almost there. Gotta keep the faith, you know what I'm saying? Gotta believe, gotta stay strong. So, facts, I'm gonna pick up the camera in a bit. Say you got a problem at what we doing. Hold on. Movie. Viral. We at. Little M2 schemo. Little downshift in the tunnel. Sheesh. Those vibes, man. Y'all know the vibes, chat. Y'all know who I want in chat. This ain't gonna turn? It's not. Lethal weapon. Bro, how can you not love a manual car, bro? Like, this shit on is so crazy to me. This road is so shit, and it keeps getting shittier. There's so many holes in this shit. Oh my god, look at the fucking holes in that shit. Holy fuck. Yo, I literally could have took so many ways to get here, but I literally took the most efficient way to get to this fucking car wash. It's actually ridiculous. But it is what it is, man. It's what it is, man. This nigga braking on the turn while we speed up on the turn. I told you, bro, driver's mod is a real thing. Driver's mod is a real thing. Holy fuck, boy. CT shit, huh? I guess they don't got all these turns and shit in CT. Cause what the hell? Actually, nah, let's take the exit. Let's take the fucking exit, chat. Enough to make a grown man smile, boy. Oh my god. Oh fuck. Yeah, we're cooked, chat. We're cooked, chat. We're cooked. We're cooked. No, we're not cooked, chat. We're good. We're good. Oh my god, we might be cooked. Oh, fuck. Oh my god. Oh my god, New York. What are we doing? Like, what are we doing? What are we doing? Like, holy fuck, look at this shit. Bang. Oh my god. What are we doing? What are we doing? It's a school day, chat. And that's how you know the car's dirty. Look at the fucking backup camera, bro. I fake haven't been able to see my backup camera clearly in like a fucking, like about 2-3 weeks, boy. Swear to God. Look how dirty that shit is. Can't even see one fucking shit. Who the fuck is honking? Devane? Oh, Devane. He Devane. I bet. Yo, chat, let me just show you how bad the fucking car looks. Like, bro. Look at this shit, bro. Oh my god. Bird shit on it, everything. Yeah, facts. My boy here about to get me right. My boy about to get me right with the wash.
No funny shit.
Uh-huh.
Knock out the extra.
Woo! Sheesh. Car looking clean, chat.
Yo, how much did you pay to remove that shit, the water stains?
I think he just did it. Yo, chat, I don't know if you've seen this, but look how the car fucking shining, boy. Sheesh. I already told you I ain't have a wash in a fucking minute, boy. My boy here got me right. 100%. For sure. Yeah, bro. Yo, chat, we just got a wash. I ain't gonna lie, I'm feeling good right now. Yo, you know when the car wash, car clean, shit, new air freshener and shit, you know what I'm saying? We sturdy, man. It feel good. Feel good. Shit, you know, nice weather outside, sport mode, you know what I'm saying? Shit, we living, my brothers. We living, my brothers. I'm going, because what is he talking about? But yeah, man, we sturdy, we sturdy. I don't know when this video dropping, but I'm on consistent shit. I just dropped the video yesterday, so make sure y'all boys like, comment, and subscribe on that shit. You know what I'm saying? All that good shit, man. Chef grinding for this shit. I already told you, man. Road to 1K. And shout out my bro Junior. He just washed the car. I'm gonna put all his. I'll probably put his information on the screen somewhere around here with his his Instagram and all that shit. Make sure y'all boys come get a wash. Support the guy, man. He's good. He's good. He gets it done. I already showed you. I probably took some videos, probably make a little reel later. If y'all don't follow me on all my social medias, make sure y'all do that. Instagram, TikTok, you know what I'm saying? All that good shit. Yeah, we here. Do I want to turn here? Do I want to turn here? I don't think I want to turn here, chat. I don't think I want to turn here, chat. Yo, I can't believe it's this nice out here, bro. Like, this shit is crazy. This don't even feel real. Look at this nigga in this fucking, what the fuck? My phone falling out my pocket and shit. It's a little warm though. Let me crack the window. What the fuck is going on right now, bro? Everybody and their mother driving mad Ed right now. Sheesh. It's been by the shop, see what going in here. Ain't shit going on. Car's clean, all that brake dust is out the wheels, car don't squeak. This nigga not even looking, he just turning, bro. Like, I hate niggas like that, bro. You just swinging out, bro. You not even looking. Like, what the fuck are you doing? Yes. Sheesh. The sun fake wild. I gotta close it a little bit. Welcome to New York, chat. Traffic, 2:14 p.m. and there's traffic. I don't even understand how that accumulated so quick. Like, it's not even rush hour yet. I think gotta get in this shit though, I ain't gonna lie. Appreciate that, my article. Fake gotta get out of this lane, mud. Oh, she took the chance. She took that shit quick, boy. Everybody here all thinking the same thing. Starting to realize I do need to kind of upgrade this shifter a little bit. Get me a nice little short shifter, catch gears a little quicker, you know what I'm saying? I feel like there would definitely be a huge like driver mod update, you know what I mean?